And now for what often proves to be the hardest element of our mummy wardrobe. What you're going to wear is a shirt. There are several reasons why this is hard. First off, we need to have long sleeves. We need to be able to cover up our arms all the way to the wrists. So white t-shirts aren't going to cut it. Your arms are going to be exposed and you're going to be able to see that flesh through the wrappings. And you don't want to have to be doing that much makeup all night long. Much easier is to have long sleeves. Another thing is, you have lots of white collared shirts. We don't really want those bigger, stiffer collars to come up on the neck. Those are harder to hide, and it just looks like you have a white collar shirt underneath the wrappings. Well, at the very least, we need to have a very, very flat collar flaying out onto your shoulders. Even better is just to have a normal circular neck. That's it, or even a V-neck. Not to have any collar at all, but those are even harder to find than these are. So definitely, this is something you could have to scour a bit for. Maybe you're lucky, you already have something that's going to work perfectly for this. But this is definitely the one item you're going to have to search harder than some of the others for.